Take care of the orphan. Take care of this baby. Take care of him, and you will be blessed. It is a commandment of Allah in the Quran, in many places in the Quran, that you and I should take care of the orphan, the one Allah took his father away from him. وَإِذْ أَخَذْنَا مِيثَاقَ بَنِي إِسْرَائِيلَ لَا تَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ وَبِالْوَالِدَيْنِ إِحْسَانًا وَذِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى. Allah said for you to be kind to the orphan. وَآتَ الْمَالَ عَلَى حُبِّهِ ذَوِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى. Be kind to that orphan. Be kind to that orphan.